Hello everyone, my name is Javier Carrillo. I am a senior product manager in Office focused on adoption of Microsoft 365 apps. I am here to talk to you about the work that we have been doing to help you improve the health of your Office environment and stay up to date with confidence. In this session, I'll talk about the Office client health and the challenges we've heard from you. Then we'll delve into a new solution we've been building to help admins like you keep their Office clients up to date with confidence, and I'll show you demos of those experiences. And finally, I will show you how we have integrated this new solution with Productivity Score on Admin Center. Let's start with staying up to date. So, why is it staying up to date important? Why do we talk about it? Our customers acquire Microsoft 365 to continually increase collaboration, productivity, and security in their organizations. As Microsoft 365 services evolve, the Office clients must also evolve to take advantage of the latest service capabilities offered. This is why it's important to service your Office clients to keep them in the latest available versions and get the best features and security for your organization. Of course, depending on your business needs, you might need to service your Office clients at different times. This is why we offer multiple channels that you can tune your device to. The current channel, which gives you the latest features, security value, and performance improvements for the clients as soon as they are ready, and is recommended for any general purpose device. The monthly enterprise channel, which offers the same as the current channel, but delivers security and feature capabilities as a predictable single monthly update. The monthly channel is recommended for larger organizations that manage many devices and need more control and predictability. And finally, we have the semi-annual enterprise channel, which is a special channel thought for select business-critical devices where extensive validation is required, for example, due to governmental requirements. Now, all of that sounds great, right? But what we've heard from you is that there are challenges when trying to stay up to date. First of all, it's the concern that something may go wrong and the update to the Office client might cause some business disruption due to issues in the Office clients themselves or on the macros and add-ins that run on top of them. Now, most times, disruptions start as very small issues that simply go unnoticed until they become too big to handle. However, discovering such small issues might not be an easy task if you don't have enough visibility into what is going on with your Office clients in the first place. Microsoft has released a series of tools in the past to help you collect logs from your Office clients across your organizations. These are great, but do require some setup and maintenance on your side. In a world of faster updates, not all organizations can afford this effort. Now, even if you run the tools, then the challenge is to make sense out of the data that you get and discover the small issues. This becomes especially complex when you look across many devices in your organization. And then, even if you detect the issue, there is the troubleshooting. What is the best practice to take? Which tool or mechanism should I use to fix the problem? All of these challenges add up and make the exercise of assessing the health of the Office clients just too costly. You wanted a better solution, and I'm here today to show it to you. We have been working hard at creating a new zero-effort cloud solution called Microsoft 365 Apps Health to help you with these challenges and not just stay up to date, but stay up to great. Microsoft 365 Apps Health is a new dashboard on the Apps Admin Center that aims to help you with three things. Update faster with confidence by giving you visibility on the performance and reliability of your Office clients across your organization. Optimize your Office clients by comparing your organization with industry benchmarks. And discover and troubleshoot Office client issues by alerting you about problems and providing you with actions you can take to fix them. And here it is, a simple, easy to understand dashboard that will help you keep your Office clients up to great. So now let's delve into it. Before I jump into the features, I wanted to share with you the core principles we followed when building Microsoft 365 Apps Health. We wanted it to be easy to set up. We no need to deploy new agents or run additional servers or processes on your organization. For this, we decided to leverage diagnostics data. Diagnostics data, also known as telemetry, are signals that the Office clients send to Microsoft to help us improve the products. We thought, why not use this data to give value back to you, our customers, to help you assess issues locally in your own organizations? But of course, we didn't just want to show you a feed with all the signals. We wanted to create insights for you that tell you when an app, a client, or a build is not behaving as it should. Finally, we didn't want to simply tell you something was wrong. We wanted to create a solution that gives you the right pointers and guidance that help you take action to fix the issues or change your environment to optimize your Office clients. So, what are the features of this new solution? First, there are insights on the adoption and health of Office clients tuned to the recommended current and monthly enterprise channels. These insights will help you drive confident adoption of the latest clients and features across your organization. Also, because this dashboard is based on diagnostics data, there are insights that inform you about the percentage of devices in your organization that are sending diagnostics data and thus being monitored for health issues. We call this diagnostics data coverage. Moving on to the key capabilities, Microsoft 365 Apps Health offers tenant-level overview of the performance and reliability of your Office clients. These are presented as scores that are computed taking into consideration industry benchmarks so that you know how your organization compares. Then there are alerts for arising issues. These will help you discover problems as soon as they start occurring. And on top of that, you will also get suggested configuration changes to help you optimize your Office clients and environments. Now, this is all great for a high-level view of your tenant. However, Microsoft 365 Apps Health also goes into the details and actionability. For the issues, you will obtain detailed technical information showing you, for example, whether a metric like crash rate has increased and how many devices such a regression is impacting. On top of that, you will also get recommended troubleshooting steps. Microsoft 365 App Health currently does regression analysis, but we will be adding more advanced impact and root cause analysis very soon. Also, important to note, because these insights are based on diagnostics data, they are independent of the management tools your organization uses. However, if you're using motor management tools like the Serviceability Manager, that we are also announcing today, you will be able to apply the corrective actions like pausing a rollout directly in Experience. Finally, Microsoft 365 App Health will also help you explore your diagnostics data at any time, not just when there are issues. You will be able to see how your performance and reliability evolves and compares across the multiple channels, builds, and clients in your organization. With that said, I would like to show you now a demo of Microsoft 365 Apps Health. Hello everyone. Microsoft 365 Apps Health is a new solution that helps enterprise admins optimize and troubleshoot issues related to the Office clients in their organizations. In this demo, I am going to show you some of its key capabilities. Let's start. Microsoft 365 Apps Health is available in the Apps Admin Center. All you need to do is sign in. Once you sign in, you'll see the overview page. Here, you'll find insights and information that help you assess how healthy the Office clients are in your organization. At the top, you'll see scores for the performance and reliability of the Office clients in your organization. These scores are weighted against industry benchmarks, so you can use them to get a sense of how your organization is positioned in the industry. There is also a score for supported versions, which informs you which percentage of your organization is using supported versus unsupported versions of the Office clients. On the right, there are supporting insights like diagnostics data coverage. Microsoft 365 Apps Health is powered by diagnostics data that you choose to send to Microsoft. The diagnostics data coverage insights informs you about the number of devices that are sending diagnostics data across your organization. You can click on it to see more details, like the number of devices sending diagnostics for each of the channels your organization uses. Depending on your business needs or deployment strategies, you'll want to ensure that you have enough devices sending diagnostics data across all channels. Another supporting insight is the level of activity occurring in the current and monthly enterprise channels. These channels offer the latest and most secure versions of the Office clients and help your organization be productive. As such, as you adopt versions from these channels, you'll want to monitor the level of activity in these channels in comparison to the rest of the organization. The insights and additional data will also be available on the Productivity Score dashboard in the Admin Center. But that is enough for high-level insights. Now let's jump into the details. At the bottom, you can see a list of issues. Microsoft 365 Apps Health shows you an issue alert whenever a regression in an app is detected. Microsoft 365 Apps Health monitors app performance and reliability metrics such as crash rates and file open duration. It defines a regression in two ways. Over time, meaning whether an app metric is regressing for the same build over time, and over a baseline, meaning whether the app metric is regressing when compared against the most active build in your organization. For each alert, you will see a description of the problem, which includes the metric that has regressed, such as a crash rate, the name and build for the impacted application, for example, Excel 1908, and the channel where it is occurring, like semi-annual enterprise channel. You can expand on any alert to get more information. Apart from the impacted app and build, you can see the number of active devices in the impacted build. This should help you assess potential impact. You can also see how the regress metric, for example the crash rate, has evolved over time. This will help you correlate with other changes in your environment that might have triggered that regression. For example, updates to antivirus or hardware changes. For regressions versus the most active build, you will see the details of the most active build that we use for comparison as well. To start troubleshooting, for example, a regression in the crash rate, you can take actions like viewing the list of devices with crashes for the app that has been affected. This will help you prioritize your troubleshooting investigations. As we evolve Microsoft 365 Apps Health, we'll be adding more capabilities like adding and macro health and compatibility issues that will go beyond regression detection to include regression explanation and prediction. This additional information will be presented to you in the same manner, and we expect it will help your team with your troubleshooting efforts. However, Microsoft 365 Apps Health is not just about tackling issues. We also want to help you optimize your environments. You will be able to see insights about the performance and reliability in your organization by application and by channel. When you view your insights by application, you will see the list of all the Microsoft 365 apps and Office clients and any performance and reliability alert for them detected in your organization. You can click in any of the clients or apps to open a detailed view. For each metric tracked for the selected app, you will see values for each of the channels and versions of the application or client in your organization. And you will be able to see how that particular metric evolved across all of those channels and versions. You can also view performance and reliability metrics by channel. This is useful if you want to monitor a specific audience in your organization that uses a specific channel, let's say for pilot purposes. When you go into the channel metrics view, you'll see all the channels active across the devices in your organization. For each of the channels, you'll see the list of active builds and versions detected in your organization. As mentioned before, this data is based on diagnostics, which is dependent on user activity. You can select any build or version to see more details about them. When you select a build, you will see the list of Office clients that are installed as part of that particular build, as well as the metrics related to each of those Office clients. You will also be able to select a different metric if you want to explore those. If you click on any of the applications from the channel view, you will be taken into the application details view that we saw before. And that was a demo of Microsoft 365 Apps Health, which is available on the Office Apps Admin Center. But that's not all. As you may know, there is a dashboard called Productivity Score and the Microsoft 365 Admin Center to help you understand how factors like networking, collaboration, and communication affect your organization's productivity. As you can imagine, the health of your Microsoft 365 apps or Office clients can also make or break your productivity. Therefore, we've integrated client health insights into Productivity Score and created a dedicated page for Microsoft 365 apps in Productivity Score. In this way, You will get a better understanding of how the currency, performance, and reliability of your Office clients affect productivity, and you will also get a high-level view of those insights that you can share with your entire organization. So, no matter if you prefer or need to use the more detailed views on Microsoft 365 apps health, or the higher level view on productivity score, you can always be confident you have visibility into the health of your Office clients. So, in summary, Microsoft 365 Apps Health will help you with zero effort to gain visibility into the health of your Office clients. Now you have the insights to update faster with confidence and optimize where it matters. Microsoft 365 Apps Health is just one of the modern management solutions that we have been working on. Tune into the other sessions to learn more about the other great management tools that we have been working on that offer you even more control when you update. Thank you.